here, welcome to my channel. This is my first YouTube video. I'm feeling super nervous. I hope you all will like this and share your love and support towards my travel. And here in this platform, I'll be sharing you the videos to with travel, fashion, lifestyle, cooking and more. If you find this video so helpful to you, do subscribe to my channel and give it a big thumbs up. Also click this bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a new video. So today I'll be sharing with you guys bread omelette bajji recipe. It's a very quick snack and easy, delicious as well. So without a further ado, let's get into the process. Ingredients required: eggs, onion and coriander, lemon, salt and some red chili powder, and some bread. Tasty and easy bread omelette bajji is ready. So that's it for the video guys. Hope you all liked it and also try it in your place and share your comments with me, and see you again in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.